Hey guys, and welcome back to Appletron Tech. Now it's been a long time since I last uploaded, but I'm thinking about uploading more now, since it's Corona. It's not that much to do anyway, so why not? So today I'm going to show you how it's like to use this 27-year-old PowerBook in 2021. So it's quite simple. It has no internet connection and yeah, nothing much. So you can't browse the internet and those such things. But it's cool in its own way. First, we're going to take it for a reboot. Just plug it in. Makes some weird noises and takes a lot of time. Yeah, it's Norwegian. It's welcome to Macintosh. Yeah, I can wait all day, you know. So this computer got CPU that's running at 33 megahertz. That's like, yeah, not that much anymore. And it's got 4 megabytes of RAM, but it's expandable to 36. I think this one has like 4. You can check it out. You can see the cursor, it's like lagging. That's just the display, because it's, display type is that way. Yeah, so we got 4 megabytes of RAM. You can see the specifications. Nothing much to see here. Yeah, so it's not that much things you can do with this computer. But I got 2 programs. I got simple text, just for writing and stuff, to show you. And I really love this like keyboard. It's really clicky and yeah, big keys. I love it. So you could use this computer for like typing. Hi, my name is Appletron Tech. Yeah, so you could use this at school, but got no internet, so it's kind of, yeah, not useful at all. But it's cool. I love it. I love the size. I love the whole design. I love that it's old. And you can even adjust the contrast. That's kind of cool, you know? And I have another program here. Don't archive. ClarisWorks alias. I think that's a like drawing program. Drawing. There. Yeah, got yourself a drawing program. So you can be quite an artist with this PowerBook. Oh, what? Oh, you can only make straight lines. This straight world, you know. Maybe a pencil. Yeah, so this program is kind of useless. Can't draw anything, can just make boxes. Yeah, that's the PowerBook. Let's see if there's anything else. Yeah, so we got the Macintosh HD, the storage. The hard disk on this is like, I think 500 megabytes, so you can see a lot of, calculator. This cursor is trash, man. 69 times 420. A little meme for today. Yeah, so see, the calculator works. Kinda cool and simple. Oh, we haven't got a puzzle. That's fun. This. Yeah, it also got no colors, so it's kind of hard doing a puzzle like this. Yeah, you can see volume controls here. 0 to 7, kind of odd number, but why not? And you can see the design is kind of similar to the newer Macs. They got the kind of same architecture. I like that. I like the simple design, and yeah, I would love to use this in 1995. Back in the day, this was like, yeah, best. And yeah, remember, this was a portable device. You can take it to work, school, a cafe. Only thing is that this battery is dead. And I tried to like put it in the freezer and make it work again, but yeah, it didn't work. So I just had to have it plugged in. But yeah, you can only imagine in 1995 how amazing it was to have like this. Just love this. I bought this secondhand by a guy on fiend.no for like $70 or something. So they're not that expensive, but yeah, it's some money in it. I just love the design, and I always wanted an old Macintosh and yeah, a laptop, so this is really cool. Yeah, I don't know if it's anything more to show you. Weird drawing. Yeah. Oh yeah, here we can draw. This is nice. Draw a little pee-pee. Fuck, I'm bad at this. Yeah, there we have our today's pee-pee. So it's really cool, but it makes a lot of noise. And remember, this isn't a like pro review. This is just me kidding around and showing the device like any other people. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I haven't been uploading anything for last year, but yeah, I want to make a quick little video about this PowerBook because I really like it. I really like the colorful Apple logo. That's cool. And to store or load applications or games, you need to use these floppy drives. It's only 1.44 megabytes, so yeah, can't put any huge homework folders on this. Stay aware, kids. I also bought this floppy drive to USB, so I can like download games and load them on these floppy drives, but I haven't been able to make it work yet. So I wanna do that someday, but I don't know when. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. This was fun to make, and this is not professional, but I like to make this kind of videos. So yeah, if you liked the video, please comment any video ideas if you have, and yeah, stay safe. That's important, guys. Stay safe in the corona. Stay at home and use your masks, and corona will be not here anymore, like 1 year. Stay safe, have a good day, bye.